today we will going to learn about the class and the objects in the Python. So class is like a blueprint, object is a real thing created from that blueprint. So take one example, consider a car. Blueprint of the car is our class, main class, and the real car is the object. So take one example. So first we are going to create one class and we are going to give a name student. So as you can see, we create a class by giving the name student. So this is our class and the student is the class name, and in that class we write a pass. That means there is nothing inside that class. After that we are going to see the object. So object basically created from the main class. So just we going to write the class, the name of that class. Student. Student. So we are creating one variable, it's our main object, and the student means it creates object. So now we are going to see class with the variables. So same, we are going to create one class. We gave a name Vedant. So we are going to create a variable, name is equal to Vedant. Again we are going to create one variable and we are going to give 22. So this is our variable inside the class. After that we are going to create a object of that class. Now we are going to print that s1 name, object name, and the object age. So firstly we want to write the name of that object and the variable of that name of the variable. So name and the age is the variable inside that the class. So as you can see, the output is the Vedant in the 22. So we create a one variable, we pass the variable inside that the object and we print that variable.